Guys, today's video is brought to you by the Pelsee Wi-Fi Smart Dashcam. The folks over at Pelsee reached out and asked me if I would take a look at their Dashcam. So we're gonna get it installed here in Dale Jr., my 1990 Chevy Suburban, and we'll see what all the fuss is about. First thing we wanna do is we wanna get it out of the box and see what it comes with. So we got some instructions here. It looks like a cleaning cloth. One thing I will give them, it's packaged well. So that looks like a camera. 3M stick-on, and this here is where the lens is. You could peel that off. Do that here in a minute. And then we got our accessories. So that looks like a power cord, plugs into a 12-volt outlet. And this is another camera. So what I'm guessing is we've got our forward-facing camera and possibly a rearward-facing camera. 64 gigabyte SD card. We've got some extra 3M sticky, that's clear. Looks like we got some clips to help hide our wires. And an upholstery tool. And a small little screwdriver. Okay, so I'm gonna read through the instructions and see what we've got to do to get this thing mounted and plugged in. Should be pretty simple. So let's get inside the truck. See how it works. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna insert the SD card to the side of the camera. And it does come with 4 of these adhesive pads. And there's 2 of the big size and 2 of the little size. And what they want you to do is they want you to peel this off and static cling it to your windshield where you want to mount the camera. Then that gives you a spot for the 3M to stick to your windshield. And when the time comes, this is removable. It pulls off the adhesive pad with it. Doesn't leave it stuck to your windshield. So we've got our little cleaning cloth. We're gonna clean a spot off up here behind the rear view mirror, make sure that that's good and clean. And then we're gonna take our big adhesive pad and we are going to stick that right to the windshield and that static cling. Then we can peel off our 3M tape and point this out the windshield. So now we can take the camera, peel off our 3M backing, stick it to our static pad, but just make sure that your lens is facing outside of the static cling. Now that we've got that there, we're going to plug power in for the front camera, which is going to be the big one with the power outlet. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to let this cord hang and get this plugged in. And we've got a display screen here that should be starting up doing a self-test. So it just said to me, please press the power button or use the app to power the phone. And in the instruction booklet on page 9, it's got a QR code. We're going to scan that and download the app. And in case you're wondering if the rear-facing camera has enough wire to feed the whole length of a 1990 Suburban, yep, it sure does. But unlike most modern SUVs, it does not have a power retracting rear window. Maybe some of the Toyotas do. So if you stick it to the inside of the window and pull this down, you're going to knock it off. So what I've done is I've mounted mine to the rear air conditioning unit, so it still points out the back window. So I say it's time to go for a drive, check this thing out, and see if we can catch some stupid people. Really? What? We both could have gone. It's a yield sign, not a stop sign. I guess I can park right there, can't I?
You would be able to fit in there?
Well, yeah.
Where are you? Oh, yeah, this side. Where are you? Impressive. Impressive.
Well, guys, despite the fact that we didn't catch any exciting experiences while using the Pelsee Dashcam, I encourage you guys, make sure you head to the link in the description box down below to get your very own Pelsee P1 Duo Smart Wi-Fi dash cam. It's easy to use, easy to install, and it's going to come in handy. If you pick one up, make sure you let your insurance company know that you've got one, because you just may see a discounted rate on your insurance policy. If you're not yet subscribed to Olde Carr Guy, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button to make sure that you are tuned in for some great transformations on this 1990 Chevrolet Suburban, because that project is going to get underway very soon. Also, if you found this video informative, hit that like button. Stay focused on the windshield, not the rear view mirror. I love you guys. God bless. We'll see you again in the next video.